Welcome to HKE Society's Sir M. Vishveshwaraya College of Engineering, Raichur.
HKE Society's Sir M. Visveshwaraya College of Engineering, formerly SLN College of Engineering, is run by the HKE Society of Kalaburgi. The Hyderabad Karnataka Education Society, popularly known as HKE Society, was established in 1958 by late Sri Mahadevappa Rampure at Gurubarga. The society is dedicated to providing quality education in backward areas, ensuring that students receive facilities comparable to those in more developed regions. The college was founded in 1979 and offers the following courses under VTU: Belagavi, Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, MBA, Research Center in Electronics and Communication Engineering.
From their study of Theogony, we learned that many ancient cultures had a sort of library facility for study of scriptures. Through ages, the knowledge has been preserved and transmitted by collection of scriptures and books. Knowing everything that can be known of the subject by an aspirant is possible only with systematic availability of information. Library does that. A well-managed library is a huge source of data collection and inspires the minds of readers. A library committee is formed, having staff from each department to review library activities and plan for updates. SCST and BCM students get additional books under respective book banks, supported by state government. The college library is given top priority, ensuring a rich source of knowledge for students. It operates efficiently with a reading section open from 8:00 a.m. to 8:00 p.m. and a lending section from 10:30 a.m. to 5:00 p.m.
The Department of Mechanical Engineering was established in 1979 with an intake of 60 students under Gulbarga University, Kalaburgi. It has a dedicated team of 11 teaching staff with master's and PhD degrees specializing in thermal, production and design streams. A team of non-teaching staff supports the department in conducting labs which are well equipped with licensed software as per AICTE VTU requirements. A departmental association, guided by a faculty advisor, organizes cultural, sports and technical events for students' overall development. With support from the Alumni Association, the department invites alumni for seminars, internships and industrial project guidance. Alumni also assist students in career shaping through mentorship and professional networking. The department continually strives to enhance students' technical knowledge and skills for a successful future. The Department of Civil Engineering is well equipped with modern infrastructure to support academic and research activities. It has 8 advanced laboratories catering to different domains of civil engineering. The department houses more than 25 dual-core i3 computer systems connected through LAN and Wi-Fi, computing and reprographic facilities for students and faculty. All laboratories are secured with CCTV surveillance and equipped with first aid kits to ensure safety. Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering was established in 1984 with a UG intake of 60 students. The department has 12 faculty members, including 1 professor, 2 associate professors, and 9 assistant professors. 2 faculty members hold PhDs, while 2 others are pursuing their PhD at VTU, Belagavi. The department has 2 VTU recognized research supervisors. Expertise includes VLSI design, wireless communication, image processing, digital signal processing, and embedded systems. The department features state-of-the-art laboratories and has successfully completed KSCST and VTU-sponsored projects for 3 consecutive years. Computer Science and Engineering Department started in the year 1994 with an initial sanctioned intake of 30 and later got its intake increased to 60. Department is fully equipped with highly experienced staff and state-of-the-art laboratories. Computer laboratories have all the platforms like Windows, Unix, Linux, etc., each with 20 Pentium i5 systems. Department is planning for a library with audio-visual facility and software development center. Students' performance in university exams is excellent, with almost 100% result in the final year. The department helps in students' placement, and many have been recruited in companies serving in India and abroad. Basic science is a vital subject essential for life, and engineering is its application, as all engineering branches have originated from basic sciences. As the saying goes, science without technology is useless, and technology without science is blind. The Department of Basic Science and Humanities was established in 1979 alongside the founding of the college. It comprises three major disciplines: engineering,
The Department of Management Studies was established in 2010 with an intake of 60 students for the PG program. Since its inception, the department has been dynamic and progressive, offering a Master of Business Administration (MBA) at SMBCE, which holds the distinction of being the only college in Raichur district
The Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning is being proposed for new course from the year 2026.